Good day, ma'am and sir. By the way, I'm Jennifer Valenzuela, 39 years old. I am single mother of three sons, ages 19, 16, and 13 years old. Roman Catholic is my religion, and I'm a high school graduate. I have 8 years working experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong from January 2015 until August 2024. In my first employer, I served for adults. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and taking care of two dogs. But my main priorities are cleaning, cooking, and taking care of pets. In my second employer, I served three persons, one couple, and a 1-year-old boy. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, marketing, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, taking care of pets, and car washing. But my main priorities are cleaning, cooking, taking care of pets, and taking care of their child by sending and picking him up at school and tutoring. And my last employer, I worked from 5.5 years for their family, and I served three persons, one couple, and a 10 years old girl. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, and taking care of their child. And my first priority is to accompany their daughter from sending and picking her up at school and sometimes tutoring. I am hardworking, responsible, fast learner, and trustworthy person. To my future employer, I will be very grateful for the opportunity to work in your family. I will, ma'am and sir, I will promise I will take care of your family and treat your children as my own. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir. Hope to see you soon. God bless.